Welcome all to the land of temples. This is Dr. Shihabuddin Maliyekal from Department of Civil and Environmental Engineering, Indian Institute of Technology, Tirupati. Here along with me is Dr. Saujit Sen Gupta, one of the founding directors of Engine Water Solutions Private Limited, an IIT Tirupati incubated startup established in 2021. Dr. Saujit and Dr. Maliyekal are driving the development of nanotechnology enabled membrane modified capacitive deionization systems to purify water at IIT Tirupati. Dr. Suman, Mr. Abhin and Ms. Wajida are the working force behind the product. The team has developed a fully automated 200 to 300 liter per hour capacity MCDI unit that can deliver clean water at less than 10 paise per liter. We believe that this is an humble step towards the national vision of self-reliant India. Water is life-sustaining nectar. Adequate availability of clean water at the point of use is a prerequisite for sustaining human life and ecosystem. Though safe drinking water and sanitation are vital to realizing all human rights, around 2 billion population globally lack access to safe drinking water. There is a significant disparity between demand and supply. If we continue the business as usual scenario, several cities worldwide, including India, will face severe water scarcity shortly. The mismanagement of water bodies, poor sanitation facilities and controlled growth of population, climate change and discharge of untreated or partially treated wastewater are the major cause of the problem. More than 75% of the water bodies in India are polluted. So, there is a need for developing effective and sustainable water treatment solutions to meet the drinking water needs of the affected population. Among the various water treatment technologies in the market, reverse osmosis based membrane technology is more popular and widely accepted in industry and domestic sector. However, RO based purification is energy intensive, inefficient in water recovery and removes all essential minerals. So, there is a need for developing non-membrane desalination system. The CDI is an energy efficient and emerging non-membrane desalination technique and can potentially substitute RO in the coming days. However, creating a right electrode and control system is essential for successfully developing the CDI based water purification unit. The CDI has multiple advantages over conventional RO system. In CDI, the ions are removed through the electrosorption process and not based on physical filtration or straining. Hence, the process mainly depends upon the electrode material that we use and its ability to absorb and dissolve ions in water. A typical CDI system consists of 2 electrodes of carbon materials, a separator, a non-conducting membrane separates these electrodes. When applying a DC potential across the electrode of 0.82 volt, the electrodes will get charged. The anions and the cations in the feed water would move towards positively charged and negatively charged electrodes respectively. These ions will be retained on the electrode surface through electrostatic interaction. The process will continue till the system reach a dynamic equilibrium. The exhausted material can be regenerated by reversing the potential. The concentrated brine will be rejected. The adsorption and desorption process will continue.
CDI is a sustainable technology with low operating cost and less water rejection. It also retains essential elements in the water. The cells have a long life and does not use any chemical for cleaning. We believe that this product can globally replace RO in the commercial market. The system can also be introduced in the following areas like raw water treatments for industries, the pharma industries, the cooling water application where the recovery can be enhanced more, hospitality segments like 5-star hotels and all, manufacturing of packaged drinking water, and also commercial use like in the complex and IT companies and corporate office. Waterborne diseases are one of the major causes for human mortality worldwide, and several people worldwide lack clean drinking water. Providing clean water to every citizen is one of the sustainable goals for the UN and our national priority. In a highly populated and water-stretched country like India, it is not easy to provide clean drinking water to all. So our country needs an innovative and sustainable solution to address this problem. The CDI has multiple advantages over RO system, including low water wastage, low operation cost, less energy intensive, and it can also be integrated with solar. So there is a possibility to use in villages and rural areas. The CDI system reduces water wastage and allow us to control the essential mineral to some extent, which is a huge advantage over RO-based desalination system. The system also have a high service life in compared to the membrane-based technology and also provide water at an affordable cost. We also believe that this will increase local employment and contribute overall development to the society. There is certain strength, weakness, opportunity and threat for this technology. The main strength of this technology is the business size, as the market size is huge for drinking water segment. As there is also few competitors present on this technology in the global market, the vital chance to have a strong impact into the society is much higher. There are certain weaknesses too. The first one is the popularity of the RO system, which is there in the market for the last 3 decades and which is an established technology. Right now, the capex of the CDI is higher than that of RO because we are still in the R&D stage. The opportunities, there is a room for innovation and we are just in the R&D stage and we have certain ideas that to innovate the technology and bring more economical ways. The business can also create a strong presence in the market for a long term and therefore we can transfer the ideas to different countries on this new technology. Threats, there are few competitors in global areas, but in India we are the first to develop it. The manufacturing of the CDI cell, unless we have a commercial facility, the manufacturing the large scale is still a challenging job. And the other major threat is to change the mindset of the customers in the market, that they are still inclined towards the RO based purification system.